Evaluate the limit using L'Hopital's rule. Here we have the limit as x goes to 0 of e to the x minus 1 over sine of 15x. L'Hopital's rule only applies in limits that result in the form 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity, which are called indeterminate forms. Now, let's check and see what happens. So if I plug in the limit point of 0, I would have e to the 0, which is 1, and sine of 15x, so sine of effectively 0, which is 0. So 1 minus 1 is 0, divided by 0, so we have this form 0 over 0, which means we can apply L'Hopital's rule. It is accomplished by taking the derivative of the numerator. So the derivative of e to the x minus 1 is e to the x, and divide that by the derivative of the denominator. So the derivative of sine, sine's derivative is cosine. We have this 15x here, but what happens there is we end up with cosine of the original function, of 15x that is, times the derivative of the inside part, so we have another constant of 15 on the outside. Now when we let x go to 0, what would happen here is e to the 0 is equal to 1. Cosine of 0 is 1. So what this results in is 1/15. So now we get a real number, and that's the value of our limit.